In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants in Squarespace, whether you're selling apparel in multiple sizes or colors, or any product that comes in different forms. Being able to set up variants is essential for offering your customers more options and enhancing their shopping experience on your store. Let's get started by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there, you will see a search bar. This is a convenient tool that helps you quickly find what you're looking for. In the search bar, simply type in Products. This will lead you to the section where all your products are managed. When you see Products, go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to your list of products, a central hub where all your inventory is displayed and can be managed. With your products now visible, the next thing to do is choose the specific product to which you'd like to add variants. Once you've made your selection, look for the three dots next to your product. These dots usually indicate more options. Click on them, and you will then see an option labeled Edit. Clicking Edit will allow you to make necessary modifications to your product details. Once inside the editing section, glance over to the left and locate the Inventory tab. This is crucial because it contains all the essential information about your product, including the stock levels and, importantly, where we'll work with the variants today. Click on Inventory and then find Variants. This is where you're going to add the different types or options of your product. Now that you are in the Variants section, look for a button that says ADD. Clicking on this will allow you to create new options for your product. After clicking ADD, you will see another option that says ADD option. This is particularly useful because options are essentially the different attributes your product can have. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, options can include size or color. After adding an option, note the arrow pointing downwards. If you click on this arrow, you will see a drop-down menu that lets you specify the choices within the option you've created. For instance, under the size option, you can list small, medium, and large. Once you've decided on the options and their respective choices, it's time to name these variants. In the space provided, go ahead and type in your variants. Ensure that they're descriptive enough for customers to understand what each choice entails. Now, once all your variants are set up, the last thing you need to do is save your work. You'll see a Save button. Make sure to click on it. There's one more Save button you'll need to click to ensure everything is correctly updated and live on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added product variants to your Squarespace store. This powerful feature can significantly enhance your product offerings and improve your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!